Now we are going to do that exercise 9. يجب علينا نفهم القرآن ونعمل به. علينا is coming because it نفهم is coming. है ना? علينا أن نفهم, and between علينا and verb we have to use أن. Okay? أن is harf nasib. It gives nasab to fi'l muzara. That's why I am writing يجب عليك أو يجب عليك أو يجب علي أن أكمل الواجبات. يجب علي أن أكمل الواجبات. يجب عليكم أن تكملوا. This is telling that this is jama sigha. That's why أن عليكم is coming. Now you have to do exercise, that exercise. What is going on? Yes. So yes, now start doing. यजबु तक्तुबुल वाजिबाति बेइंतजामिन. To you write the homework बेइंतजामिन in proper way. Yes. तो यजबु अलैका अन तक्तुबा, and after that an will be used. अन तक्तुबल वाजिबाति बेइंतजामिन. Next sentence, Afan Rais. Afan यजिबु तहफ़ज़ीना सूरतैने हाज़ल उसबु. Memorize 2 surahs. तहफ़ज़ीना, you one girl, memorize 2 surahs this week. Yes. So what it will be? यजिबु, after Allah you should write Allah also, and an will be written, and after Allah their zamir will be used. So tahfazina, according to tahfazina, what it should be? Tahfazina alayki. Yes, alayki comes, ki comes for wahid muannas hazir. This you have read in Zamair also. Last chapter of Madina, that Minhajut Talim was, in that I have explained Zamair. So here should be, this is called Zamir Majroor ki, because it is coming after harf jar. तो यजिबु अलैकी अन तहफ़ज़ी, noon will be removed. You have to complete your work. Just now I will check on the WhatsApp group. Okay, all of you have to write in your books. यजिबु अलैकी अन तहफ़ज़ी सूरतैन हाज़ल उसबु. It is Muhammad Abdullah. Yes. Next one, third sentence. Read. Muhammad Abdullah. Read third sentence. Read third sentence. Eh? Which sentence you are reading? From where? But exercise 11 I am not telling. Exercise 10 I am telling. Exercise 10, third sentence. Huh? Which sentence bhai? Third sentence. यजिबु तखरुजून मिनल फस्ल बेहुदूइन. तो after यजिबु what will come? तखरुजूना. This is जमा मुज़क्कर सीगा. ज़मीर will come kum. ज़मीर should come. तो यजिबु अलैकुम अन तखरुजू. Noon will be removed. In हालत नसब and जज़्म, noon will be removed. तो यजिबु अलैकुम अन तखरुजू मिनल फस्ल बेहुदूइन. यजिबु अलैकी अन तहफ़ज़ी सूरतैन हाज़ल उसबु. This. Next sentence, fourth one. Muhammad Umar. Yes. यजिबु अलैकुम. यजिबु अलैकुम अन तदखुलुल फस्ला क़ब्ला दुख़ूलिल मुदर्रिस. It is necessary for you to enter the class before entrance of the teacher, before the entering of the teacher. Yes. Next sentence, यजिबु तदरुसुल लग़तल अरबिय्या लिअन्नहा लुग़तुल कुरान. To study Arabic language because this is language of Quran. So tadrusu is coming. Yes. Fourth one, yajibu alaykum beta, tadkhuluna is coming na. Whose voice is? Who is asking? Only 5 boys are there. Abdullah, okay? Yes. It is yajibu alaykum an tadkhulul fasla qabla dukhulil mudarris, and yajibu alayka an tadrusa al-lughat al-arabiyya. Yajibu alayka will come because tadrusu it is coming like taktubu. Wahid muzakkar hazir sigha. It is necessary for you, or it is must for you, or you should. We will translate, can translate you should, and you should to study Arabic language because this is language of Quran. Yes. Yes. Now exercise second, exercise 11. It is coming masdar of zahaba yazhabu. Zahaba yazhabu masdar comes zahabun. Masdar comes zahabun. Zahaba yazhabu. Zahaban. तो उरीद zahaban will not come. Zahaba yazhabu, zahaban will not come. Zahaban means to gold, and masdar of zahaba yazhabu to go, masdar comes zahabun. Uridu zahaba ilal bayt. I want to go to the house. Ya ustazu arju an tasmaha li bid zahabi ilal mustashfa. Oh teacher, I request you to permit me to go to the hospital. Kharajtu min al fasl li zahabi ilal mudir. I went out of the class to go to the teacher, or to go to the principal. And fourth one, hazi tazkiratu tairatin ila dimishqa zahaban wa yaban. This is a plane ticket to Dimishq to go and to return. Zahaba yazhabu means to go, and aba yaubu means to return. So to return and to go and to return. This is ticket. Hazihi tazkiratun. This is ticket of plane to Dimishq for to go and to return. So now this chapter is completed. Now what you are understanding, not understanding. Next period means it will be inshallah on Sunday, Monday. It will be on Monday. So any time you can ask anything if you want to ask. Okay. And video I will send you. So you can take help from that also. Okay. In video I am explaining again one more time that isme tafzil comes on the pattern of af'alu. If it is used with af'alu with min it is used, so it will be translated comparative degree. Like huwa atwalu min hamidin, he is taller than Hamid. And if it is coming without min, huwa atwalu, he is tallest, or huwa atwalu fil fasl, he is the tallest one in the class. So it will be superlative degree. Like in second sentence, al burtaqalul laziz, that al bardul yawma shaddu, the cold is severe today, है ना, much severe you can say. So cold is much severe today, most severe today, है ना. Ashaddu without any without min or any other word it is used, so it will be translated as superlative degree. Okay. In this sentence also it is coming that ahabbud durus, most beloved lesson. In all lessons, which is most beloved, you like most. In lessons, which one you like most? Yes. Yes. Have you done work? I told you to do in books, in your book. So you have you done it? In this chapter, yeah, is the ism tasghir is there, like it comes on the pattern of fu'ailun, rojailun, tufailun, nojaimun, qolaimun. They are coming called ism tabzil.